How to change Chrome color? You can change your Chrome browser color. You can get any new color, like you can get the new like black color, white color, red color. So there is a few methods, or you can say few things you have to check out if you want to change your color. If you want to change your Chrome colors or themes, I will show you what is the option available in Chrome browser. So let's start with the video, guys. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Let's go on my mobile computer Chrome browser. Okay, so we are on my Chrome browser. So first thing you have to check that whether your computer browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this three dot option right corner and go to the help and go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see you if it is up to date or not. So in my case it is not up to date, it is updating. So just update your Chrome browser. It is updating. After update, just restart your Chrome browser. Okay, so now just open your, after update, just open your Chrome browser, and now you will see the option called customize. Click on it, and here you can see the background. Okay, under the background you can upload the pic from here. You can select any pic. Okay, you can see the background pic has been changed. You can also change your own picture if you have, if you want to update, if you want to make background with your own picture, you can upload from your device. Okay, you can upload from here anything. Just find out the image and just upload. Okay, so it will be upload here, it will be changed. So you can come back to the default page by clicking this classic Chrome. It will be come to the default page, and here you can see the color and themes. So you can change the color of background and themes also. If I done it, you can see our color has been changed. And also I can come back to the default by clicking this default color. Okay, and there is another option in Chrome. Go to the three dot right corner and go to the settings. Under the appearance, here you can see the themes. So under themes you can change the themes. Okay, there is a lot of themes you can see. You have to just select the themes. If you want to select this one, so it will be installed. You have to add to the Chrome. It will be add to the Chrome, and Chrome themes will be changed. If you want to come back with default, so just come here again in appearance and go to click on reset to default. So it will be reset to default. So that is how you can change the color of Chrome. Thank you.